Hello, I'm Dr. Mark Revels here at Orthodontics Exclusively, and I just want to introduce you to our new addition to the family, the itero Element digital scanner. We just recently implemented a couple of months ago, and wanted to just share an introduction of what this technology can provide and how it's going to change the way we provide treatment, and also how it's going to change the patient experience. The primary reason we use this type of technology or this particular piece of equipment is to avoid the number one thing that patients dread or like to avoid in orthodontic treatment, and that's the gooey impression material.
All right, now bite down. And, oh. Through your nose, just breathe through your nose.
Again, this technology with the itero Element scanner definitely differentiates us from most other practices. Because of this technology and what it can produce, especially with the accuracy that it captures the teeth and the bite relationship, is truly a game changer. Because prior to this, we had to submit an impression type tray material, which has inherent built-in inaccuracies. No matter how experienced you are in taking the impression. So it's electronic delivery, so Invisalign or the lab fabricating the appliance receives it instantaneously. And so honestly, we do the scan in the morning, they receive it that same day, and they're already starting to build the digital model, which they send to us for approval. And literally we can receive that the next day or the following day. Whereas what we used to have to do, and what most offices have to do that don't have this technology, they haven't even put it in the mail yet by the time the company's already received our digital information. So again, the turnaround time and the speed, but also the accuracy, and which obviously improves a better fit, a better appliance, a better aligner, which is obviously going to improve the comfort and fit to the patient and produce a more accurate result. So with the outcome simulator in the touchscreen technology, we can simply touch the screen, rotate the model 360 degrees to capture a view we just clinically can't see otherwise, or would be able to see otherwise, unless we're using some sort of technology such as this. But we can get an instantaneous view of not only the tooth relationship, but bite relationship that can definitely influence our treatment plan. But we can also look at the simulated outcome as well to see if there's any potential shortfalls that is impossible to view with conventional methods, with a normal traditional impression material, or even a scanner for that matter. You can't see that. And the itero Element gives us that instantaneous feedback, and again, in literally seconds, to allow us to provide the most accurate treatment plan, as well as relaying that to the patient that we otherwise didn't have before. And that's one thing that's so fascinating about this technology, is not only are we able to show the patient the problems or the concerns, but we can forecast to give them a visual of what we can achieve and what's realistic and not realistic in a matter of seconds. Whereas before, we may not know that answer until after appliances are delivered, months into treatment. With the digital technology, we can show them before we've even started treatment. So it's been a huge asset to our practice. Patients love it, and it's really, it's the wave of the future. It's definitely going to change the way we practice, the way we capture imaging. The accuracy is improved significantly, the comfort, the efficiency, and ultimately the finished result is better. And so we're really excited about implementing this type of technology, and it ultimately benefits the patient, which is what we shoot for.